What if I told you that the secret to looking younger and living longer could be sitting in your kitchen right now? I'm not talking about expensive creams or complicated supplements. I'm talking about something simple, delicious, and backed by science. Today, we're diving into the top 5 nuts that can actually turn back the clock on aging. These aren't just healthy snacks. They're powerful anti-aging superfoods that can protect your skin, boost your brain, and keep your heart strong for years to come. All right, let's crack into it. First, almonds. If you want glowing, youthful skin, listen up. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that does 3 things: protects your skin from UV damage, locks in moisture, and repairs damaged tissue. Dr. Raja K. Sivamani from UC Davis calls almonds a smart choice for overall good nutrition and says they may be especially beneficial for postmenopausal women fighting aging. Eat about 23 almonds daily, raw, in smoothies, or on oatmeal. Your skin will thank you.
Next, walnuts. Ever notice they look like tiny brains? That's fitting because they're incredible for brain health. Walnuts are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and protect your brain from age-related decline. UC Davis Health research shows the antioxidants in walnuts help preserve memory and thinking ability as you age. If you want to stay sharp, walnuts are essential. Eat 7 whole walnuts daily. Snack on them. Toss them in salads or blend into smoothies.
Number 3, pistachios. These green gems are perfect for weight management and cellular protection. Pistachios are 20% protein, which keeps you full longer and helps control weight. But here's the real magic. They're packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals. Free radicals damage your cells and DNA, causing premature aging and diseases like cancer and heart disease. Pistachios actively combat this damage. Plus, they're rich in unsaturated fats and potassium, both powerful anti-inflammatories. Eat about 49 pistachios per day for maximum benefits.
Number 4. Cashews, your heart's best friend. Cashews are loaded with proteins, antioxidants, and minerals that protect your cardiovascular system. A 2023 study in the journal Nutrients found that eating cashews significantly lowers your risk of heart disease and atrial fibrillation. Another study showed cashews reduce blood pressure and triglycerides, 2 major heart disease risk factors. Something as simple as a handful of cashews daily could literally add years to your life. Eat about 18 cashews per day, raw, roasted, or as cashew butter.
Finally, Brazil nuts, the most unique nut on this list. Brazil nuts from the Amazon rainforest are incredibly rich in selenium, a powerful antioxidant that supports your immune system and thyroid. Selenium reduces oxidative stress, which is a major cause of cell damage linked to cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Brazil nuts also contain magnesium, copper, and healthy fats for heart health. But here's a critical tip. Brazil nuts are so rich in selenium that you can actually overdo it. Eat only 1 to 3 Brazil nuts per day. That's it. This small amount gives you all the benefits without any risk of selenium toxicity. So there you have it, the top 5 nuts for anti-aging benefits. Let's quickly recap. Almonds for glowing, protected skin, walnuts for a sharp, healthy brain, pistachios for weight management and cellular protection, cashews for a strong, healthy heart, and Brazil nuts for immune support and disease prevention. The best part, you can easily incorporate all 5 of these into your daily routine. Mix them together for a powerful anti-aging trail mix, or rotate them throughout the week. Which nut will you start eating today? Comment below. And if you learned something new, smash that like button and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video.